Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today I'm going to be unboxing the second generation of AirPods. So pretty much what's on the box is on the top it says AirPods. This one happens to be the wireless charging case. On the left side it has an Apple logo, on the right side it has an Apple logo, and then on the back it just says AirPods with wireless charging case and has a picture of the AirPods. And on the bottom you have the serial number and all that good stuff, but let's get this opened up. So let's cut this, and okay, this razor blade sucks. Let's just rip this off and get this opened up. And what's an Apple product without the design by Apple in California thing? And this has a few things like the AirPods basic manual, I guess. Kind of tells you how to pair stuff and how to control the AirPods and charge it and all that good stuff. And then we have the safety and handling pamphlet along with the terms and conditions pamphlet. Okay, so with all that out of the way, let's get to the AirPods. Well, first let's figure out what's under here. Okay, does this pull off? I'll just take this off. Yeah, there is a cable. Yeah, it's just a regular lightning cable. And this thing, oh, it does pull off. Okay, so it's like stuck down there. Let's leave that there. Throw this back in there and yeah, let's check this out. So I'm going to peel this off real quick. Hopefully you can hear it. Alright, so let's put everything back in the box, and here are the AirPods. Not bad. Looks pretty sleek. There's this little button on the back. I guess it lights this up right here. It's pretty cool. I don't know why. I don't know what the colors mean. And here are the AirPods itself. In all the writing, it looks like it's in the ear area. Okay, this could get entertaining. Okay, so let's get this all set up and see which one is going to show up. My iPhone 10 is jailbroken, and it's not updated to the newest software, obviously. So let's see what happens when I open this up. And on the 10R, of course, it shows everything. I'm going to connect it there. It is on the newest software. Nice little setup. And then it tells you the percentages. That's not bad. And I guess that's it. So let's take out the actual AirPods itself. Not too bad. I'm kind of used to them because I have some fake AirPods, but these are definitely a lot better than those. So there's like these little sensors and speakers, I guess, and then a microphone, I think, or maybe it's on the bottom. I'm not too sure, but either way, they look shiny, they look nice, and yeah, that's about it. I mean, I guess everything else is kind of gonna be on sound, so we'll see how they sound when I do a review on them. But for now, that's about it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or on Twitter at MattofRWR. And get prepared for my next video, which is going to be the review on these. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell button so then YouTube reminds you when the next video does come out. Until next week, thanks for watching.